एक्सक्यूज मी, हे लिसन, ये ट्रेन चली गई क्या?
हाँ वो अभी अभी निकल गई।
ओह, ये नेक्स्ट ट्रेन कब है?
4 साढ़े 4 के आसपास।
सुबह 4:30 बजे।
क्या?
वैसे आपको जाना कहाँ है?
मेरी ट्रेन है अभी बॉम्बे सेंट्रल से। समवन टोल्ड मी आई विल रीच फास्ट इफ आई टेक अ लोकल फ्रॉम हियर।
या बट लाइक ट्रेन इज आउट ऑफ द ऑप्शन नाउ। आपको चाहिए तो बाहर से कैब मिल जाएगी।
रियली?
Yeah.
ओके, श्योर। हेलो,
चलिए भैया।
या तन्वी? हाँ, आई हैव जस्ट गॉटन इन द कैब। हाँ यार, आई मिस दैट लास्ट ट्रेन। होपफुली आई शुड बी देयर इन द नेक्स्ट 15-20 मिनट्स। हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी? या भैया, ये प्लीज वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम करिए ना। या ओके, हाँ ठीक है, यू गाइस बी एट द स्टेशन, आई विल सी यू देयर। हाँ ओके, बाय बाय।
Listen, I'm sorry, I just randomly got in. My house is close by, so I'll just get off here.
या दैट्स फाइन।
Yeah? So, where are you going?
I'm actually headed back home to Baroda. I was in Bombay past 3-4 days with a few friends of mine.
So, where are your friends? They just left you stranded like that?
No, they're waiting for me at the station. I need to make it on time there for the train.
भैया आपके पास 500 का छुट्टा है क्या?
Listen, how do I pay you?
अरे it's okay, you go catch
Are
your
you
train.
sure?
Yeah, of
Thank you
course.
so much. Hey, excuse me. Hey, listen. You taxi fellow.
Hey.
Hey.
No. You missed your train?
Yes, I missed my train. I am such an idiot. I mean, all my stuff is gone. I'm just left with this camera bag. I don't know what am I going to do. It's I don't know. I'm just.
It's okay, just breathe. You want to get some chai?
Yeah. Thank you. वैसे तुमने पहले भी काफी मदद की है.
That's okay, man. No stress. I'm Dhruv, by the way.
Of course. Hi, Yamini.
So, what's the plan, Abhi?
I honestly don't know. I mean, या तो रात को स्टेशन पे यहाँ या maybe I'll have to figure out a hotel nearby. So let's see.
You know, the way I see it, I feel like you have 3 options.
Okay.
So, option number 1 is you come home with me.
Excuse me?
No, that just came out wrong. Yeah, it makes no sense. You know, you don't know me, I don't know you. Yeah, option number 1 is out. Option number 2 is you stay at the station या फिर get a hotel room, but नहीं यार. Option number 3 though, lots of fun.
Okay.
We can go around Bombay. I could show you Bombay like you've never seen before, and we could just like chillies.
Chilies?
Yeah, we could just chill. You can probably get some good photographs also.
Ah. Yeah, right.
I'm not kidding. सच्ची मजा आएगा. चले?
So, तुम करते क्या हो?
मैं दिन में थोड़ी बहुत एक्टिंग करता हूँ और रात को मैं स्ट्रेंजर्स को बॉम्बे घुमाता हूँ.
I see.
बट मैं चार्ज करता हूँ 5,000 रुपीज फॉर द आवर.
वैसे पेमेंट अपफ्रंट लेते हो या इंस्टॉलमेंट्स चलेंगे? Another struggling actor in this city of dreams.
Not exactly. I'm from Bombay. I'm born and raised here, and I live with my parents.
Oh.
So, also I'm not the typical struggling actor type क्योंकि मुझे स्टेज ज़्यादा पसंद है.
Oh, so theater से हैं आप?
हाँ जी. And what about you? Photography professionally या फिर heavy?
Well, it's very much a profession, but I'm still trying to figure out the space in lifestyle and travel.
क्या बात है. तो मैडम जी, आज आप मेरा पोर्टफोलियो खींचोगे क्या?
I so knew this was coming. वैसे मुझे अफोर्ड करने के लिए तुम्हें बॉम्बे 3-4 बार घुमाना पड़ेगा.
ओके. सो यामिनी जी, आपके बड़ोड़ा में डेटिंग एप्स का क्या सीन है?
Dating apps? Really? I don't do dating apps. I don't think I'd ever subscribe to that world, you know? For me, it's about meeting people in real life.
Oh, meeting people in real life, like at railway stations and stuff. Huh?
Well, it's better than meeting people over those silly apps, no?
But it's nice, no? You end up meeting some very unusual people who you generally never meet. But it's also a little annoying, because it gets a little monotonous.
You match with someone and then the usual,
Hi, how are you? I'm good, how are you? And then the conversation just dies out.
Yeah.
And then you match with someone else, and this just an endless cycle.
So, how long do these last? 1 or 2 weeks. That means you've never been in a serious relationship.
Ouch. That hurt. No, वैसे I've been in 1 or 2. No, I've been in 3 serious relationships.
Yeah, I can see how serious they could have been.
Graduation के बाद, I took a trip with my then girlfriend to Goa. Best trip of my life. And I was young, तो पैसे बचाने थे. I took around 3 or 4 months to get all the money together.
Oh, wow.
Trip was like, it was all cool and stuff. We came back home. She called me the very next day. And she told me कि I met a guy last week. And now, in a couple of weeks, I'm getting engaged to him.
What?
Yep. And they did get engaged in 2 weeks. And 3 महीने में उनकी शादी भी हो गई.
Oh, so how did you take it?
How did I take it मतलब क्या? मैं तो गया मस्त शादी में डांस भी किया मैंने.
What dance? Are you
Yeah.
serious?
Seriously.
Shut up.
oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho, oh
Are you mad?
ho, इश्क तेरा तड़पावे.
It's so crazy. You couldn't have done this.
हर पल ये तन्हाई दा, दसे मैनू नागिन वांगू मौसम तेरी जुदाई दा. ट्याऊ 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 ट्याऊ.
Stop.
This is such a real moment, yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I found this moment really sweet. So at the Visarjan, I saw these bunch of ladies who were playing the dhol, and उसमें एक auntie थी, and she was playing the dhol so passionately. And you see this little girl, so that's her daughter, and dude, she was dancing like there's no tomorrow. I mean, वो अपनी ही धुन में ऐसे डांस कर रही थी जैसे कोई देख ही नहीं रहा. एंड मैंने उस आंटी को एक फ़ोटो दिखाई एंड शी इमीडिएटली हग मी. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि तुम मुझे इमेज व्हाट्सएप कर देना. फॉर अ मोमेंट आई फेल लाइक दैट लिटिल गर्ल, दैट आई वाज डांसिंग विद माय मॉम.
So when all of them were dancing there, ढोल के साथ, तुम्हें अंदर से मन नहीं किया क्या कि मैं भी जाके डांस करूं, लाइक अंदर से? नो, एकदम फाड़ू टाइप्स.
फाड़ू?
या फाड़ू एकदम फाड़ू.
What? Wait.
Hey, what cam? What? Keep the camera.
No.
Come.
No, यार. Are you kidding me? Wait.
Keep it. Come.
What nonsense is this? I'm not doing this.
So what kind of dancing are you into? This kind of dance.
What?
Six
This is
and 1,
bad.
2, 3.
This is mad.
This is not.
Of course it is.
I know. Are you hungry?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Well, then it's time for the secret midnight weapon then.
Secret midnight weapon.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Chalo. Come.
What? Wait.
Come.
Arey, let me take my stuff.
Chalo. इन हंगर, हैप्पीनेस एंड सैडनेस, अमीरी और गरीबी एंड लोनलीनेस, टिका और सस्ता, अपना वन मस्ता।
You're crazy.
I know. What? Come on, let me pay now.
Think of this as one of your installments, Mr. Tour Guide.
Fine. अगर तुम इतना इंसिस्ट कर रही हो तो it's cool.
Wow, this is so well lit up.
है ना? रात को ना बॉम्बे की वाइब ही कुछ अलग होती है.
Yeah. So, Mr. Multi-talented, तुम और एक्टिंग कैसे?
So my dad used to supply costumes for theatre groups. So बचपन से ही I had access to this world and शिवाजी से लेके स्पाइडरमैन तक सारे कैरेक्टर्स प्ले कर लिए.
That is so cool.
है ना?
So you get to be someone new every day.
Absolutely. पता है थिएटर में हम सारे आर्टिस्ट एक साथ आते हैं टू क्रिएट समथिंग स्पेशल. वी गेट टू नो ईच अदर ऑन सच अ डीप लेवल बट यू नो इवेंचुअली शो खत्म हो जाता है एंड एवरीवनस जस्ट गॉन, गायब. वी ऑल जस्ट हैव टू गो आवर सेपरेट वेज.
वैसे तुम्हारे ये गौन और गायब में all these moments that you spend with people, all these memories that you make, can anybody take them away from you?
नो, नेवर.
जैसे nobody can take this night away from me.
जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना